record. This is our special jumper. And when you do this, you have to be making sure that you are hooking two batteries that are alike, the same age, and the same size, which these two are.
Okay.
And so this is a special harness made. It's got fuse protection. It is a lighter gauge wire, but it's not meant to run anything but a support battery to the other one. So the other one is the primary, and then this is simply nothing more than support. Make sure it's too touch. This is what we use when we use the inverter a lot. To boondocking. That was smart.
What do you think?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I just touched the thing and it arced, so I'm hoping I didn't blow a fuse.
Oh.
So, I'll double check that. It accidentally touched the frame. Okay. No, these are 30 amps. That wasn't 30 amps.
Okay.
And this also runs your gas, your safety inside. You got to remember, this is always draining because it's running the, you just heard it beep, the carbon monoxide
okay.
system. So it's always draining, pulling a drain.
Yeah, people talk about unplugging that when you're in storage. Not in our case because it's always sort of plugged in, but.
Yeah, when ours is in storage, I disconnect the battery.
Right.
All the time.
Because people were talking about it, how the battery would drain.
The battery would drain, and in our case, it reads if I'm working in the garage, it reads the paint fumes and some other stuff.
Oh, okay,
well.
yeah.
Check this fuse. Make sure it's still good. It is. Okay. And if somebody wants to steal it, I guess they can have it. I don't think this is going to be a high fuse. Meanwhile, I'll have to.
And you'll put the yellow on for in case it rains or whatever.
Someday I need to put vents in this and just leave it in here. I've got.
Right.